The roots of the F-15 Eagle can be traced back to the late 1960s when the United States Air Force USAF was looking for a superior air-to-air combat aircraft. In 1969, after evaluating various proposals, the USAF selected a design submitted by McDonnell Douglas. This marked the birth of the F-15, a twin-engine, all-weather tactical fighter jet designed to outperform any potential adversary. The F-15 was one of the first fighter jets designed under the U.S. Air Force's air superiority, as opposed to interceptor doctrine. Early versions of the Eagle consisted of a single-seat F-15 variant and a twin-seat TF-15 trainer variant. After the maiden flight of the F-15C, the names were changed to F-15A and F-15B. The aircraft are equipped with the new Pratt & Whitney F-100 engine, which achieves a thrust-to-weight ratio exceeding 1:1, allowing the aircraft to fly upright while maintaining airspeed. The maiden flight of the F-15A took place on July 27, 1972, while the two-seat F-15B completed its maiden flight a year later. These aircraft entered service in January 1976. The F-15 has a semi-monocoque fuselage made of metallic materials, equipped with cantilevered wings and solid shoulders. The F-15 can make sharp turns without losing speed thanks to its low weight-to-wing area ratio and high thrust-to-weight ratio, making it highly maneuverable. The F-15 is also the fastest operating fighter jet in the U.S. in terms of the number of aircraft deployed. It can reach an altitude of 30,000 feet, 9,100 meters, in about 60 seconds and fly for about 3,450 miles, 5,550 kilometers, without needing to refuel. When flying at a certain speed, the combined thrust of its two engines exceeds the weight and combat resistance of the aircraft, allowing it to accelerate vertically. The F-15 also features a look-down, shoot-down radar capable of distinguishing moving targets near the ground amidst background noise. Unlike the F-14 Tomcat, or F for Phantom, the F-15 has a single canopy frame, which gives pilots an unobstructed 360 field of view. The F-15 even demonstrated its ability to maintain controlled flight with only one wing during a mid-air collision involving an Israeli F-15D in 1983. Despite losing most of the right wing, pilots adapted quickly, mastering the techniques required to fly and land the aircraft safely. One of the F-15's outstanding achievements is its perfect combat record of 100 for victories, without ever losing a dogfight or being shot down. It participated in the Gulf War during Operation Desert Shield and the Yemen Civil War. This unparalleled success has cemented its reputation as a formidable air superiority aircraft. Although the F-15 was primarily designed for the USAF, it was the Israeli Air Force, IAF, that utilized its capabilities the most. IAF ace Moshe Melnick managed to kill the first F-15 in 1979. In total, IAF pilots have achieved more than 50% of the total F-15 kills. Israel was also the first operator to develop and use the air-to-ground capability of the F-15 variant with air superiority, which utilizes its longer range compared to other IAF aircraft. In early 2021, the USAF received its first pair of F-15EX fighter bombers, a procurement that began in mid-2020. Each aircraft is priced at $80 million, which is a more cost-effective. Despite more than 50 years of active duty since its introduction, the F-15 remains an integral part of the U.S. Air Force and allied forces around the world. Its legacy will continue with the introduction of the Eagle II version of the F-15.